All right, you guys. I always do this. I give myself till the hours before I leave to pack for something. It's time. I'd rather just walk up the stairs, but my room is so freaking messy right now. I just got back from the Dominican Republic from shooting for Sports Illustrated swimsuit. Let me just add. And now I'm leaving again. I like literally never see my boyfriend. It's fine. But I'm packing again. If you hear laundry in the back, gotta clean some undies if you know what I mean. So come pack with me. Let's get ready. Let's go through what I have. God freaking bless my room right now. So these are my absolute yeses. These are my maybes. This is my clean clothes, my dry cleaning. This is the reality of it. And I really want to bring this new YSL purse, but I just brought it to the DR. And you guys, I ruined it. Look at that. You see that in the light? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a big dent. I'm so mad at myself. I just bought it. So on that note, because I obviously ruin nice things, I can't have them, I'm really questioning bringing my nice Chanel. I don't think I should do it. So I'm hosting a show on SiriusXM. I need a few workout clothes. I'm thinking this cute pink skirt. Oh, look how cute that is. With that cute little purse and this sparkly top. Then Sports Illustrated party, I'm either thinking this red dress, obviously I'll get it steamed, or, oh my gosh, I'm so unorganized, or this blue dress. And my secret, why is my lighting so bad? My secret to making my tiny boobies pop in dresses, sticky boobs. Padded ones too. Okay, I just have to brag for a hot second. I'm so good at packing and doing a carry-on. I did a carry-on for the Dominican Republic, and now I'm doing a carry-on for the Super Bowl. Again, gone for 4 days. It sounds like 4 days. Of course you do carry-on. But I feel like with like all the outfits that I'm wearing and all the different options I want to have, it's hard. But look at this. Like I literally packed perfectly. I still even have like so much more room, I feel like. And okay, so how I do it is like my shoes, my bags, and my undies and bras on this side, and then like my nicer clothes. Oops, I lied. One bra's on that side. Nicer clothes on that side so I can, kind of separate that. And I plan out my outfits so well in advance. Like I know exactly what I'm wearing now, and I have like 2 options for each. So it's seriously perfect. See you guys in Arizona. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Hi, can I please be connected to room service? Thank you. Hi there, can I place a breakfast order? Can I get oatmeal, please, with extra brown sugar on the side? And then can I also get coffee? Hot coffee? Large pot. Yes, please. Do you guys deliver like any like Dayquil or anything? Okay, awesome. Thanks. That's it. Perfect. Thank you so much. Yes, please. This one. Thank you so much. Oh, there's Marla. Okay, I feel like I've just been so run down lately. Unsure how I'm about to do this, but it's super early here in Arizona, and in LA time, it's an hour behind. So I'm really waking up at like 6 a.m. I just feel like I haven't slept in weeks. That's a lie. A little over a week. Went to the Dominican Republic, shot for SI. Been on the news early Wednesday. Shot workouts. About to host a SiriusXM show. All right, got my oatmeal. Breakfast of champions, baby. All right, put a little bit of makeup on. Feeling a little bit better. I have my outfit laid out right here. And this is so me. She's crazy. But you know what? Where do I need the camera? How to get more energy 101, baby. Ooh. I'm freaking dead serious right now. I stretch a little before I put on my, crack it. Make me so tight. Oh, this leg is tight. Really quick vlog, because I literally don't know how this happened. I am leaving in 30 seconds here. Here's the outfit of the day. Fleur de Mal top, Allison Olivia pants. I'm ready to go host at Radio Row. Seriously, one of my dreams forever. If you told me 5 years ago that I was hosting a Radio Row show with Camille Kostick and Kristen Harper, I wouldn't believe you. All right, you guys.
Hey.
The vlog continues with
me,
Kristen Setsko.
That's Kristen Setsko.
We are on our way to host a SiriusXM show at Radio Row.
Faces for radio, baby.
That's right. Especially Kristen.
Tune in.
Work it. Super Bowl 57.
No, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, so we kind of like, he's up on stage with the Lombardi Trophy and with Tom and Mr. Kraft and everybody. And I was down, with all the cheerleaders, like with our pom-poms and throwing confetti. And in those days, too, I was dreaming of the day that I could be a Sports Illustrated swimsuit model. Wow. So to be at Super Bowl back here on this side.
That is a full circle.
Really cool. It's really cool to be with you guys and share this. So
I think My
just
number
wrapped
2.
under the Swimfluence.
SiriusXM, channel 104. Tune in, baby.
All right, guys, just got done with SiriusXM. Sorry, I'm such a bad vlogger, but I'm getting an IV today. So I just don't want to be hungover. I hope it helps. Vitamin C, B12. Okay, now what's that?
B12.
Oh, wow. B12. I hate needles. Wow. Arriving in style.
I gave the wrong number.
Hanging him up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the bender of all bender weekends.
That hurt my back.
Bender of all benders. Yeah, I'm making a vlog. I have my dress laid out tonight. Do you have anything to say?
I'm very shy.
She actually is, but she's not. I feel like we're dating.
I just got back from my Sports Illustrated swimsuit shoot 2 days ago, and I feel like this is like a great way to celebrate being done with my shoot.
Yeah, amazing. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you.
Oh my god! Should we get photos now?
Yes, please.
Still turn to the CEO, show the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters took with me to love, rich flex, for me to 21. Can you do something?
Yes. Do you guys have any seltzer? What alcohol do you guys have? Stop. We are so tired that we actually can't even breathe. Woo! But we're still doing good. Boyfriend got here. Liz is here. I'm giving her a 3-minute timer. You literally have 3 minutes. And I'm ready to go. Because I'm just like so naturally like I am. We are going to the Sports Illustrated party tonight. Honestly, I don't think I've been this tired in like, I'm not kidding, like 3 years. Since before COVID probably. I feel like I'm on like a bender of all benders, like college frat weekend. But we're good. We're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a good day. Machine Gun Kelly, Chainsmokers. We got this. Also, here's the outfit.
Hello, you sexy.
It's like a lot, and I hate wasting. Please, someone tell me how I'm supposed to eat all this. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's like a catering size chicken fried rice. On our way home. Oh my god, I'm so